पिछले 4-5 साल में the Dubai property market has literally beaten the entire world. Growth has surpassed every single major global city and investors have obviously made a lot of money here. And honestly, इस periods में profit निकालने के लिए it did not require a genius because any investor could have bought any property in Dubai and they still made a huge amount of money. But now things have changed slightly. The prices are fair, the market is a bit more stable and growth अभी भी काफी बड़ी होने वाली है in the long term. And investors are still going to make a lot of money. The only difference is that you now need a little more of a strategic and balanced approach and you need to understand the micro markets, developers and the other details so you can maximize your return. Hi, my name is Ishan and I'm a real estate consultant based in Dubai and I help investors pick the best value options based on the current market data and not just marketing hype. And आज की वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे 4 ऐसे powerful aspects की that will make sure that your next property investment in Dubai will give you maximum returns and strong appreciation. And as an investor myself, I understand that all clients have different needs based on the terms of payment plans, developers and location. And as a consultant, it is my job to align your investment requirements with the current market cycle of Dubai. Aspect number 1 is having an investment in a master developed community. Master developed communities are the ones in which everything in the community, including the road, school, infrastructure, and the supply of the apartments, is controlled by one single developer. For example, Shobha Heartland 1 and Shobha Heartland 2. Investors who put money in Shobha Heartland 1 saw huge return on investment in terms of capital appreciation and rental income as well, as it was the perfect product for end use. And right now there are a huge population in Heartland 1 जो कि end users हैं, which in turn makes sure that your investment gives you good returns क्योंकि लोग वहाँ पे actually में रहना चाहते हैं. And the funny thing is that these zones did not just go up by 10 to 15% in value. They went up by even 30 to 60% in other examples because everything is well maintained and it is a premium end user friendly product. And if you are thinking of purchasing in a master community, the long term appreciation is almost guaranteed to happen. Granted, you get the right units. Aspect number 2, villas and townhouses. Here's the thing, almost 80% of the supply in all of Dubai real estate is based on apartments and a huge majority of them are studios and one belts. Meanwhile, there is a huge population of European expats who are moving to Dubai who do not prefer to live in apartments, and a lot of HNIs also want to live in townhouses and villas. Now, due to the huge increase in the high net worth individual population of Dubai, the demand for townhouses and villas obviously goes up while the supply still remains tight. Articles from DXB Interact have also confirmed this report, and these townhouses and villas attract affluent tenants and community-loving peaceful families. So your rental income is also secured, plus you get a higher capital appreciation compared to buying apartments. There are many successful townhouse and villa communities in Dubai. If you just look at Arabian Ranches and Mood On, and there's so many other ones, for example, all of them have shown consistent and stable capital appreciation and rental income as well. And even if the market gets a little bit slow, these townhouses and villas are for sure going to retain their value and stay stable even in tough market conditions. So if you're looking for a product that is resilient and gives you high returns, townhouses and villas is your safest bet. Aspect 3 is transit connected urban hubs. The thing is, Dubai mein connectivity is equal to money. If your property is located near the main roads or the metro stations, it is automatically going to go up in value because most of the people in Dubai these days do not like to travel 40-50 minutes just to go to work. अगर आपकी property के पास अच्छी connectivity है with the Sheikh Zayed Road, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Road, Hessa Street or even the Al Khail Road, the property prices will go up automatically. For example, locations like JLT, Marina and Business Bay have all become prime hotspots of Dubai due to the excellent connectivity with the Sheikh Zayed Road. And even though the number of plots available in locations like Business Bay and downtown are very little, that is exactly what makes it a unique and special investment. Because ये areas हमेशा दुबई का central point रहेंगे and all of the tourists are always going to come here, and 10 years from now there won't be any new buildings that will come up here. So if you buy something in Business Bay and downtown now, something good that is unique, you will definitely make excellent returns on it. And the most important thing is good connectivity areas will always have high occupancy, higher rental yields, and easier time to resale the property. And transit hubs always outperform the budget friendly location क्योंकि यहाँ पे tenant demand बहुत predictable होती है. Aspect number 4 is going to be high lifestyle mid city communities. The communities जहाँ पे सिर्फ hype नहीं actual practicality sell होती है. For example like JVT, Motor City, Sports City. These three locations, one thing they all have in common is low population density, which means यहाँ पे low rise peaceful communities and townhouses हैं, has good connectivity to schools, hospitals and other things any end user would firstly look at before buying any properties. And ये areas सिर्फ hype पे नहीं चलते, they work on actual livability of the area. And again, most important thing is these are not barren lands जहाँ पे 5 साल बाद आपको शायद से कुछ देखने को मिले. These are running communities that are existing there right now. ऐसे areas में layouts usually बड़े होते हैं and there is much more greenery. These communities attract end user tenants. ऐसे areas में usually layouts बड़े होते हैं and there is much more greenery. People actually want to live here and not just flip or invest. And Dubai में जहाँ पे भी real families settle होती हैं, that area is guaranteed to give you long-term appreciation as we talked about it before. And इस type की communities are the perfect ones for investors with a budget of 1.1 to 1.2 million with a one bedroom. And studios you can find at around 700,000 to 800,000 dirhams. These are the perfect for the investors who want long-term growth, livability and actual appreciation with stronger rental yields than the underdeveloping area. So these were the 4 biggest indicators that your property is guaranteed to appreciate in the next coming years. Just to go through them again, number 1 is master developed communities, number 2 is townhouse and villa zones, number 3 is transit connected urban hubs, and number 4 is high lifestyle mid-city communities. These 4 types of investments make the strongest opportunity right now in the market, and these are the ones that I personally always invest with my clients as well. And again, strategic approach से सही property choose करने में your Dubai property investment is guaranteed to outperform any other market in the world. And if you want my help to find the best investment opportunities in Dubai, just scan the QR code and get in touch with me on WhatsApp or use the link below to book a one-on-one free consultation call with me. As always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the latest Dubai property market updates. That's going to be it for today's video and I'll see you guys again.